Complementary user entity controls. The controls that the service organization assumes in the design of its service will be implemented by the user entity, and which is, if necessary, to achieve this control or objectives and identified in the description of the system. Complementary user entity controllers control entity control controls that are service organization assumes what the control service organization controls. Then in design of the services will be implemented by the user entity. So service organization will be there, entity will be there. How they use the service of the service organization, what is the control they have, and which if necessary to achieve the control objectives are identified in description system. So they give data to service organization. They provide goods to service organization. How it is being protected. What are the measures being taken to data breach? Yeah, some it's a confidential data. Goods has been sent to some service organization to complete it. Formula has been sent to look it out. Technology has been sent it out, or employees has been recruited by. So how their performances are there, how much time they stay, a cycle of employee in a company, everything you should see. And are they loyal? What about their trust? What about their what criminal history, criminal sheet? Everything should be seen because everything is possible. Yeah, if you hire someone with a criminal sheet and they are still doing they might do some illegal activities in your company. So you should see before hiring someone. This is also a control activities to control your data, control your assets. Because the shareholders put their money into a company, you are managing the company. They want a report. You want to say how many employees I have, now who has have the criminal sheets, who don't have everything they require. If someone is the criminal sheet person you have in your company, and they may do some disturbances, and they may create problems in the company, and they won't work properly looking after them. Some people won't start working, they may go to strike even though you your proper pay. Do some financial struggles, other employees may even cope up with that, but these kind of employees will think that we need bonus, we need a higher rise even though company struggles. That kind of process you need to think of whether this is properly done or not. So we should it's our choice to recruit someone, so we should have the choice.